What's up, tubers? We're back with another What's in the Box video. Today we're working with the 1978 Chevy El Camino 3-in-1 from Monogram. It's a skill level 4, 124 scale. Box says it has 116 parts in it. So let's go ahead and pull the lid off and let it avalanche and get into what we have in the box. The basic instruction sheet, Revell, with some pretty nice decals. We'll take a look at those right away. There's your Black Knight option, and then some white walls and other different various, cool stuff that Revell does. They put the dashboard decals and some other neat stuff. It kind of saves time a little bit for when you're building it. And your standard, if I can get it open, Revell instruction sheet, usually pretty nicely detailed of what to do, where to put your decals and color options for which way you want to build it. Because this is, like I said, it's a 3-in-1. Let's look at the box pictures. Just let this out of the side for a second. You can see it's got, relatively stock build, the Black Knight version, and then the lowrider version, which I'm going to be going with because it's going to go with a collection of lowriders I'm working on right now. I have a bunch of shiny cars on the transport trailer that I picked up. Should be pretty cool. Like they're on the way to the car show or something. So let's go ahead and dig through the stack we got here. I'll try to get it laid out so you can see everything that's on the table. Right away, you can see those little wheels and tires I'm talking about. That's going to look pretty slick. Little minis, little mini baskets. Yeah, for sure. The body looks pretty decent, Nice, solid, firm plastic. Little engraving to open up those panel lines. Probably look pretty sweet. So you're going to find the nose right away. Yep. A little bit different from another El Camino that I've got on an unboxing. The I can't remember the year. It's an 86 El Camino SS from MPC. So let's put that off the side. Continue on with the plastic. It's a nice little tonneau cover, a turbo hood option, because yes, this thing has turbos. At least one, if not two. I'm not sure. We'll see that in a second here. There's the tonneau cover with the nice little creases in it. That'll look good. It'll paint it up and maybe a little scuff marks. Nice high back seats. Try to get this stuff laid out on the deck here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it all. So try my best. We'll just go right into this. There's that GM dashboard that everybody loves. But that'll look even cooler with those decals in there. I really appreciate Revell for doing that. There's your engine halves and suspension components and more drivetrain stuff. So continuing on, there's the interior tub with some carpeted texture. That'll look good with a couple different colors. And your one-piece frame with exhaust pipe molded in. Looks pretty solid, so I like the way they hang them off their trees. It's pretty sure it's going to be straight and won't have that three-wheel motion. Set that up there. Continuing on. Here, let me just drag this crap off the screen. Stuff, I'm sorry, pardon my language. And then here's part of the lowrider stuff. We have a different suspension for lowered, obviously. Different axle length and batteries. There's a big bank of batteries. Looks like probably shocks or gas bags maybe for way lowered. So that's pretty neat. The one-piece glass, camper shell glass, and looks like one light. What is that, for a spotlight, headlight? Yeah, because no, it's got to be for headlights. I only see one. No, there they are. There's two. There's two headlights, one-piece glass. We'll leave that in its plastic so it doesn't get scratched up. And we'll get into the lowrider wheels and tire options. So we've got 4 of these really cool little minis, wire baskets, knockoffs, and a chain wheel. That's gonna look pretty cool. Working on another lowrider right now that has the chain wheel. Here, it's right here. Huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. So that's gonna come out cool. So we got 4 of those, and then 4 of your stock versions, and then 4 of the Black Knight versions. So there's the stock, and the Black Knight has 2 wides and 2 narrows for the front. That's always neat for, you know, another build somewhere. And then last we'll look at the chrome tree. Some nice molded open stock wheels, as well as your you know, American Racing Coke bottle look. And then there's your hydraulic dumps, super cool. CB radio, breaker. Anybody use CB anymore? Breaker. And then chrome exhaust. There was another one that came off the tree, and put that off to the side too. But, oh, there we go. There's the turbos. Yes, it is twin turbos. Very, very cool. Now, I don't know if that's going to fit anywhere to get it in frame, so we'll just put it on the model and build it. And that's what I want to do. I'm gonna put this thing together and make another lowrider. So that about does it for the 78 Chevy El Camino 3-in-1 from Monogram. Looks like it's going to be a nice kit. Pretty much sure, I mean, I'm positive that mine is going to be the lowrider version. Because like I said, I have quite a few of them that I'm working on right now for a lowrider kit, like maybe a car show or a Cars and Coffee or something like that. Anyways, I'm rambling. Thanks for listening to me ramble and watching my video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.